Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Olive. Today I'm going to show you the KICC Nyahururu, the famous one, the new one by the way. So I'm going to show you our poultry. We usually store food here and water there. Our poultry stays in groups, but during the day we usually have different storage houses where they usually stay. This is where they usually swim in their pools. There are two of them because ducks love water a lot. So let's go ahead. We have a small door, or is it a gate to the entrance? So let's get into the KICC. If you are new to my channel, please remember to subscribe and turn on your notifications bell. Comment down below and like this video. So let's get started. So once you enter in, this is what you see. We have 3 floors and this is the ground floor. This is where we usually have our poultry. So we have a bulb for security purposes at night, because that's where our poultry usually spend the nights. They usually stay in groups, by the way. This is another door to the sleeping area. But their chicken have stairs. Most of you have been asking whether they usually panda the stairs or fly. So let's go to the first floor. This is what you see once you come to the first floor. Heads up, the place is so messy, but it will be cleaned. It's still under construction. We have different houses where the chicken usually sleep. We have geese, ducks, hens. It's a small scale poultry farming. So with time we'll have incubators here. We're just hoping everything will be okay. But we usually get meat and eggs from the chicken. We also have a bulb for the first class chicken. For security purposes though. So if at all you see the lights on at night, we don't stay there. Enjoyed today's video on the KICC Nyahururu. So most people have been asking about it. Some people have been saying that it should be a venue for photo shoots, that it should be a lodging. So you see how it looks inside, because it's such a tall building meant for chicken and poultry farming. So I just hope you'll remember to subscribe down below if you are new to this channel. If you have not subscribed, please make sure to subscribe. Leave your comment down below, put on your notifications bell, and stay tuned as you wait for more videos from me. So if you are part of the family, thank you for subscribing, and if you want to join, feel welcome. And for the new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. Be blessed, have pure intentions, be kind, and always remember to pray. Have a good day and be blessed. Bye bye.